Hey everyone, welcome to Linkstyle. This is Mike. Today we're going to unbox the Matrix Smart Lock key box. There's the key cards, we have our plugs, installation hardware. Okay everyone, we have our lock box set up. Now we want to power it on with the USB cable that it came with. To activate the keypad, you have to push any button here. After you hear that, you enter the factory password of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound. And that's the battery compartment. Once your lockbox is open, get your small Phillips screwdriver and you just need to unscrew the box. We have our batteries installed here. This is the reset button. If you need to do a factory reset, just use the same tool, hold it down.
Enter initialization password.
That password is 000 pound.
Operation successful.
Now it's reset. I'm gonna add the device to my Linkstyle app now. Going to add device. To put it in pairing mode, just push any button. And now it's pairing. Awesome, so now it's paired via Bluetooth. When paired via Bluetooth, I can unlock it from my phone if I'm close to it. Now we can set up our fingerprint. Test it. Unlock. Now I'm going to add a new card to the app. You can add up to 100 cards.
Please front tag to register. Operation successful.
A little test.
Unlocked.
Awesome. We have our key card set up. Let's put in a key. We recommend hanging the key on the nail that's included inside the box. This prevents it from getting stuck. In order to use your lockbox remotely, you have to connect it to your Linkstyle hub. Once you have your hub connected to your app, you simply go into your hub, add a new device. Again, to activate Bluetooth, you just press the keypad.
Operation successful.
Now you've successfully added your lockbox. I can unlock it from right next to the box.
Unlocked.
You can also easily fit a key card.